Here are the stories for the day. Delhi-based agri-tech startup Resham Sutra makes solar energy-based machines that empower rural silk weavers, women and their families to improve productivity, increase their income and lead better lives. In 2015, Kunal Ved established Resham Sutra in Delhi to enable India's rural entrepreneurs to profitably produce and market a variety of silk and handloom products. The startup helps rural silk yarn producers and fabric weavers to install their machines, which increases their income and reduces physical drudgery and mental stress. Users and beneficiaries are exposed to the utilities of solar power for daily life applications, so they can use it for other applications like lighting and cooking. Resham Sutra's deployed missions collectively have reduced greenhouse gas emissions by around 6,000 tons per annum. The innovations have directly impacted over 12,000 rural women and their families by improving their productivity and income. Ravi Prasad from Hariharpur in Uttar Pradesh started Malava Kela Resa Utpadan Lagu Udyog Kendra that sells footwear, hats, carpets and other items made from banana waste. On realizing that his native had hundreds of acres of banana plantations, he decided to explore the potential. He also applied for the One District, One Product, a state government scheme where his unique handicraft got selected for exhibiting at state-level festivals. Along with Ravi, about 450 women from his district have benefited from the venture. The women undergo a 10-day training with the State Department under the ODOP scheme and receive a toolkit and a stipend of Rs 200 for attending the workshop. The stems are cut and processed in a machine that converts them into sheets. The sheets are further torn into threads and weaved into products such as slippers, hats, sanitary napkins, grow bags, carpets and other items. The sheets are also sold to textile companies that convert them into fishing nets, bed sheets and clothing. Ashok Jadhav, an organic farmer from Chinchner in Maharashtra, built a Jugaad device that is now a hit among the farming community. The 71-year-old believes that the organic farming involves using abundant natural fertilizers, which leads to unwanted weed growth. These weeds consume the nutrients of the soil and affect plant growth. To solve this issue, Ashok started using weedicide on the farm. In 2018, he decided to experiment with a makeshift solution. He took 2 iron rods, bent them at each of their ends and attached a thin metal wire of 8 to 10 inches in between, joining the 2 rods with a metal pipe as a handle. The device requires manually pulling out the weeds and the metal wire cuts them by the root. The tool worked and made it accessible to remove the weeds in congested crops and minor gaps.